Good morning from Panama City. Let's talk about SMART goals this morning. But what is a SMART goal? SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. But what do those mean? Well, the first step in setting a SMART goal is making something specific. A specific goal clearly defines what you want to accomplish. The more precise you are, the easier it is to focus your efforts and stay on track. Next, your goal should be measurable. This means you need a way to track your progress and know when you have achieved your goal. Ask yourself, how will I measure success? Your goal also needs to be achievable. It should challenge you, but should still be realistic and attainable given your current resources and constraints. The goal you set should matter to you and align with your organizational goals and strategic objectives. This is where the relevance comes in. Ask yourself, is this goal important to me? Is it important to the company? Does it align with our strategic goals? And then finally, time bound. Every goal needs a deadline. You need to ask yourself and your teammates, when do I want to achieve this goal? By setting a specific time frame, you're committing to a clear target and a timeline for achieving it. So when you set your next goal, remember, make it SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. This approach will help clarify your objectives and focus your efforts and increase your chances of success. Do you have any SMART goals for the day, for the week?